Hey guys, welcome back. On the Bento Buster, and I'm going to show you how to make Shoyu Ramen in no time at all. And of course, Shoyu means shoyu. No, it means soy sauce. So, this is a soy sauce based broth. In Japan, that's called an oyaji gag, and it's hilarious. And in English, it's called a dad's joke, and it's also hilarious. Okay guys, I got sidetracked there. Now where was I? Oh yes, this is Syantan, an all-purpose soup base, and it is the secret ingredient in this dish. And to make this ramen broth, I'm going to use about 1 teaspoon of Syantan. And the next ingredient is a tablespoon of soy sauce. And these two ingredients form the tare, or soup base, for this dish. Now, all I have to do is just add some hot water and instant shoyu ramen broth. Now, how easy was that? Extremely easy, right? Now, excuse me while I just give it a quick mix. This really is a quick and easy ramen hack. And there you go, shoyu ramen broth in seconds. And if you're a bit slow, minutes. And the next step is to add your ramen noodles, which I've been boiling off camera for about 3 minutes. So the ramen broth and noodles are done, so now it's time to add the toppings of your choice. You have the option of going simple, or you could go berserk with your toppings. It's totally up to you. And to get this party started, I'm going to add some bean sprouts. All you have to do is blanch your bean sprouts in some boiling hot water, pop them into an ice bath, drain them, then Bob's your uncle. By the way, Syantan is available on Amazon.com, and I have put the link in the description box below. So check it out. It's great for making soup broths and also fried rice, amongst other things. Next, in goes some finely chopped green onion. Oops, maybe just a bit more because I don't want to look stingy. Next, a Mount Fuji of shredded leek. I'm also going to add a couple of slices of Kamaboko, made from steamed processed fish. This one in particular is called Naruto Maki. As you can see, each slice has a swirl, and this represents a famous tidal whirlpool near the city of Naruto. And this also appears in the ramen bowl eaten by Naruto, the manga character. Just a wee bit of trivia for you. And finally, how about an Ajitsuke tamago, the quintessential ramen egg. This is a marinated boiled egg with an extremely jammy yolk. And if you want to know how to make this yourself, please click on the link above. There you go guys, what do you think of that? That is one jammy yolk. Now that all the toppings are in place, the ramen is complete. And there it is, a nice bowl of shoyu ramen. There are so many toppings to add or not add, it's really up to you. And now for the taste test. First I'm going to go for the jammy egg. Look at that, if I didn't know any better, I think it's apricot jam. Delissimo. It's yolky, it's jammy, it's everything a jammy egg should be. The broth itself has a slight fragrance of soy, and thanks to the Syantan, it has a deep, rich flavour. Flavour profile wise, I guess you could define Syantan as a very fine Chinese chicken stock, but it's also made from pork, beef, vegetables and various oils. It's extremely concentrated and packed full of flavour, and just a little bit goes a long way. And by the way, if you exclude the soy sauce and just add Syantan to water, you have Shoyu Ramen broth. Shoyu means salt, and Shoyu Ramen broth is either made from chicken bones or fish bones. So with this Syantan ramen hack, you've got the best of both worlds. Now that's a delicious bowl of ramen prepared in no time at all. Now before I go, I'm just going to try that broth again. Ah, oishi. Those 3 simple ingredients created some magic. Okay guys, are you up for the challenge? If so, give this ramen hack a go. You won't be disappointed. And as always, thanks for watching guys on the Bento Buster. Stay safe and stay strong. Kia kaha.